Hi, welcome to the installation video of our QuickBooks extension for Zoho CRM. The installation process involves a few simple steps. Let's begin the installation. First, log into your Zoho account. Navigate to the settings. On the Marketplace section, select All. It will display the lists of extensions on Zoho Marketplace. Search for the QuickBooks extension for Zoho CRM. Here you can directly buy the extension, or you can get a free trial to test the extension. To purchase the extension, click on the Buy Now option. This extension has both monthly and yearly subscription plans. You can choose the one based on your business needs. You can also get a free trial for 10 days to test the extension's functionality. Tick the checkboxes to accept the terms of service and click on Continue. Also, tick the checkboxes to provide authorization for the extension to access the Zoho CRM. Then click on Continue to install. Choose the desired user or profile. You can choose Install for admins only, or Install for all users, or choose Profiles. Then click on Confirm. Now the extension is preparing to be installed. Once done with the installation, you can access the extension by navigating to the menu represented by 3 dots. Here select QuickBooks to access the extension of the seamless and bidirectional record sync between Zoho CRM and QuickBooks. Thus you have successfully installed the QuickBooks extension for Zoho CRM. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.